Hello traders, John here with TradingSim again. Just putting together a quick tutorial for you on how to recognize and scan for the 1 minute ORB or opening range breakout. And it could also be an opening range breakdown depending on which direction you want to take the trade. In order to do that, I've created a scanner for us, a scan filter on the left hand side of the application called Large Cap Gappers. And I can click on this and edit it just to show you the settings that we have in play here. So for this, we're looking for stocks above $5 with a market cap of at least $1 billion and pre-market gap of 2% on a minimum of 100,000 shares. That way there's plenty of liquidity in the stocks that we're looking to trade. We're also looking for momentum. So we're going to order these results by top volume, and as we've already named it Large Cap Gappers, we'll click Save. And then for this particular day, on February the 24th of this year, these are the results that we have. Now what I have here are two windows. We've got the 1 minute and we've got a daily. We've got those two charts up. So what you'd like to do is ideally identify something that's got some green pastures above it. So no overhead resistance. And it looks like FSR was gapping down on the prior day, even though we're gapping up on this particular day. So I'm looking through these and just trying to find something that may be constructive. Most of these are in very near-term downtrends, with the exception of this CCL. So CCL looks like it's broken out. Something that we could look for a continuation move, but let's just kind of keep running through here. Here's NCLH, and NCLH is also a stock that is in the cruise liner space. So I've got a couple of lines drawn on this NCLH. One is right here at the prior breakout level. And that's going to be this black line here right around $29 on the pre-market 1 minute chart. And then I've also drawn a line at the top of that trading range from the pre-market as well. So what this gives us is an opportunity to see if this is going to continue in the direction of the gap or in the direction of the trend. So let's see if we push play, and we've got this at 3x speed right now. What we're seeing here is that the first 1 minute candle here is coming down, slicing through, but now finding support at VWAP, which is this orange red line, and the 20 moving average, which is this purple line. So there we have that closed, and now we've broken above this 1 minute candle. So I took a position here. As soon as it broke above this first 1 minute candle, that would be an opening range breakout right there. And now we are breaking above the trading range as well. So depending on your management strategy, if you have like a 1 to 2R ratio, you might take some profits here after this second large candle. Or you might play this on a longer term time frame and just see if this pullback that we're getting right now is constructive, and you might add right here on this pullback to VWAP and see if we get a little reversal, and we do. We have a nice little sandwich there, and you can take some off. Again, it all depends upon your strategy for managing risk and managing your position as you go along. So that's a great example there. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the position there and press pause. Great example of a 1 minute opening range breakout for you. It dips down, finds support at the major moving averages like VWAP and the 20. We're in a consolidation here, a nice consolidation uptrend, and we're moving in the direction of the trend. Now let's see if we can find another one. And you can search for these pretty much any day of the year if you want. So let's just pick the 12th of July. See if our list changes here. So we've got CLDX, not many to choose from on this particular day. CLDX was gapping up, but it looks like it was selling off quite a bit there in the pre-market. Let's try Let's just keep searching. How about, let's go forward 1 month and see what we have here. So CLOV, nice little breakout here on PLTR. And again, we're looking for something that has a decent, let's take this one for example. Let's take this OPEN. So we've got a nice little triangle here. We've got a kind of a flag pattern in the pre-market, and it looks like we're gapping up into around $17. So I've got a line here right around $18 that may or may not provide resistance for us. So let's just push play here and see if we can find a nice little 1 minute opening range breakout. You can see we're finding potential support. Oh, we're slashing through the 20, so it's not looking good yet. Not looking good, but we do have a potential support area along the base of this triangle here. So now we're reclaiming that, and it appears that we reversed. So you could take a long position on the reversal of this second 1 minute candle. And again, I was too slow with my entry right there. But assuming you're playing this in normal speed instead of 3x speed, you might be able to time your entry a little better on that reclaim of VWAP right there. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the position there. But there you have a nice little 1 minute opening range breakout that that may or may not continue. Again, we've got this overhead resistance around 18. So the question will be whether or not this wants to consolidate right here, or if it's going to stop us out if we had taken this position and put a stop, say, below the second 1 minute candle around $16.78. And if you want, you can always speed up the simulator just to see what happens. And it looks like this one failed on us. So it's always good practice to, you're never going to have a 100% effective strategy. So make sure that you're managing your stops, managing your risks, and only taking the A+ setups that you find. If this wasn't an A+ setup, then you make notes of that. And the great thing is we have an analytics page where you can actually take a look at all of your strategies and see your win rate, make notes, and really dive into what your edge is all about. So we hope you've enjoyed this, and be sure to give us some feedback on how we can help you get better using TradingSim. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.